Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Avocado channel. In today's video we are going to make popular Egyptian farmers milk bread. It's so delicious, so soft. It's usually made in Egyptian countryside in special ovens made of mud with wood or hay. But today we are going to make it at home in gas stove or gas oven. So soft. I hope you like the video. Let's start our recipe. We need 1 kilo of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of vanilla sugar, and 1 tablespoon of dried yeast. Mix all dry ingredients. Then add half a cup of melted butter to 2 cups of sour milk. Mix and add the sour milk mixture to the dry ingredients. I added the milk mixture gradually. I want it very soft dough. Knead with your hands. It looks like sticky right now, but it needs a lot more kneading until it will become smooth. You might use extra sour milk as needed. I'll write down all the ingredients at the end of the video. More little sour milk. Continue kneading until it becomes soft. Now the dough is no more sticky. It's so soft, as you can see. Now cover and let rest for about 1 hour or until double in size. After 1 hour, the dough doubled in size. Make the dough into medium-sized balls. Sprinkle little flour and place the balls. After you finish making balls, cover and let rest for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, make them into bread with using a pan. You can make them oval or circle. With this thickness. Place the bread on a piece of cotton cloth. Using a longer pen, you can flatten 2 pieces of bread at the same time. Finish with the rest of the balls. Cover and let rest until double in size. Now the bread is light and fluffy. Let's prepare the oven for baking. Turn on the oven from below on medium-high heat, from above on medium-low heat. Place oven trays on the bottom until hot. Then place the bread on the oven tray. The trays must be hot. Take care of your hands. Then put the trays on the bottom of the oven. After a couple of minutes, the bread becomes like a balloon. Bake until golden. Now our bread is ready. As you get it out of the oven, spray it with some water. Let cool, then keep in a plastic bag to keep moist. You can keep the bread in the freezer. You can bake your bread on a pan. As you can see, it takes about 3 to 4 minutes. I hope you try making this bread. So delicious, so yummy, so soft. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to click like. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to get notifications for our new videos. Till we meet again, goodbye.